Yo, what's up? Welcome back dito sa ating channel dito sa Bobs TV. Alright, so ito pag-usapan natin mga babayan, no? Dahil bigla po atang nataranta ang mga congressman dito po sa House Bill na ipapasa ni Congressman Sandro Marcos dahil bigla po silang nagbalikan mga babayan. Yan po ang ating alamin ngayon at pag-uusapan, pero syempre bago ang lahat, please don't forget to subscribe, like, share at comment dyan sa comment section. At syempre shoutout sa rin tayo sa mga followers natin dyan, sa mga subscribers natin. Maraming salamat sa inyo. At syempre don't forget to click po ang like button sa ating video dyan po sa ibaba. Okay, so ito pag-usapan natin mga babayan, no? Kasi nito nga po nakaraan, medyo nagkagulo po sa Kongreso, lalong-lalo na yung mga absent palagi. Ayon nga po dito sa report, no, effective pala. Sandro Marcos touts bill after absentees return to House. No, matapos pong ipasa no, sa House at pag-uusapan po yung absentees mga babayan o yung no work no pay po na bill ni Congressman Marcos mga babayan, Sandro Marcos, tila baga yung pong mga palaging absent ay bigla pong nagbalikan sa House of Representatives o pumasok na bigla. Sana lang wag maging ningas kugon mga babayan, at sana no, kung matapos na ang termino netong si Congressman Sandro Marcos bilang kongresista, no, magpatuloy po itong batas na to at i-apply po sa lahat mga babayan. No, sana walang padrino. Kasi alam nyo, sayang talaga no, yung pinapasahod ng taong bayan dyan sa mga kongresista na yan, mga babayan, no, dahil halos yung sahod po niyan, no, isang taong sahod ng ordinaryong mamamayan. Tapos sila absent, wala sa house. Sabi nga dito sa report to, it seems that his proposal of having a no work no pay scheme for members of Congress is already effective even before it is deliberated or enacted, as some absentees have started to return, Majority Leader Ferdinand Alexander Marcos said on Wednesday. No? Pinag-uusapan pa lang daw yung House Bill na yan para sa mga kongresista at sa mga senador, mga babayan, yung mga lagi daw pong absent, nagbabalikan na daw po. Ito, panoorin natin yung balita, mga babayan, ha? Let's go.
It's really common sense. In the private sector, if you don't show up to work, it's taken from your salary. It should be the same case here in Congress. And to be honest, for all branches of government. Na kung hindi
tama yun mga babayan, to all branches of government dapat. Diba? Hanggang mayor, dapat nga, pati barangay chairman, ganyan Diba? Hindi ako nagkakamali, no? Parang may nabasa ako na parang pati si Leni Robredo nga bilang mayor, mga babayan, no? Nagbabandiklak din po, no? Doon sa Naga. Sana ganun lahat, 'di ba? Mayor, no, chairman, hanggang kagawad dapat ganun. No, kagawad ng barangay. 'Di ba?
Nagpapakita, if there is absenteeism on your part, then you should not be allowed to collect the salary because you have not put in any work. I think the Filipino people and especially Congress deserve nothing but excellence, and I think the institutions that we all work for should provide the environment in which that excellence should flourish. So I think we need to start making changes around here to really show ang ating mga kababayan that we're here to work and that we're here to get things done, which is what I hope the bill will reflect, and hopefully maybe other branches of government can do the same.
Yung sa no work no pay bill po ba, may pinatatamaan po ba kayo or is it because general po ba si Senator Bato po ba ang pinatatamaan dito sa bill na ito?
Ikaw naman nag-iintriga ka lang. No. I'm not singling anyone out.
Intrigero tong reporter na to
I think this is just the right step forward
Mm.
for the legislature as an institution. It's no secret that there have been cases of absenteeism and people not showing up to committee hearings or joining debates on the floor. And generally, the more people debate on legislation, the better quality legislation is produced.
Tama.
So really, we're just trying to make sure that the best laws are passed for the Filipino people.
Ikaw po lang, pumasok daw po tuloy si Congressman Pulong Duterte.
So it hasn't been passed, gumagamit na.
Nako, ayan, mga kababayan, no? Hindi pa rin naipapasa, gumagana na daw po, mga kababayan. Ha? Ito kasi yan, no, nakasulat ya dito. Effective pala, Sandro Marcos touts bill after absentees return to House. No, ayan na. It seems that his proposal of having a no work, no pay scheme for Congress, for members of Congress is already effective even before it is deliberated or enacted, as some absentees have started to return. Majority Leader Ferdinand Alexander Marcos said on Wednesday. Baka naman pakitang tao lang yung mga bumabalik na yan. Ha? Baka naman na pakitang gilas lang sila, mga babayan. Masabi lang na, uy, pumapasok kami. No, pumapasok kami. Kaya hindi pwedeng kami yan. Nabuking eh. 'Di ba? Biglang bigla silang nataranta eh, 'di ba? Kung hindi pa magpapasa ng ganitong biletong si Sandro Marcos, mga babayan, baka patuloy po na absent yung mga yan. Baka patuloy na hindi natin makikita sa Kongreso yung mga congressman na yan. In an ambush interview on the sidelines of the House of Representatives sessions, Marcos was asked if he thinks his House Bill 7432 or the proposed no work no pay for members of Congress Act is already effective, as Davao Representative Paulo Duterte was seen going to work. Duterte has been called out by his critics and colleagues, including Marcos, for often being absent from office. Matapos pong ilabas ni Congressman Sandro Marcos ang no work no pay para sa members of Congress, bigla daw pong pumasok itong si Paulo Duterte. Nako naman, baka naman hindi naman ganon. It hasn't been passed, pero gumagana na. Marcos said, no comment na lang. No comment daw siya sa pagpasok ni Pulong Duterte, mga babayan, no? Ito pag-usapan natin. Under the bill, members of Congress are duly elected or duly elected senators. Kasama po yung senator, mga babayan, ha? And the representatives will only be compensated for days in which they are present and performing official legislative duties. No, attendance in plenary sessions, participation in committee hearings, where such members is officially listed as a member of the committee. Engagement in official activities. Ibig sabihin, mga babayan, no, yung mga attendance sa plenary session. 'Di ba? Yung pagpa-participate do sa mga committee hearings, kunyari sa mga Quadcom. 'Di ba? Engagement in official activities. Baka naman kasi pagpasok dyan sa plenary, mga kababayan, pag attendance, aalis na kagad. Hindi pwedeng ganon. Dapat merong house marshal, mga babayan, no, na magbabantay. O magno-note o magsusulat sino yung mga umaalis. No, tsaka dapat tutukan ng camera, mga babayan, may mga CCTV. Absences without valid reason shall result in forfeiture of compensation for the days missed. No, ifo-forfeit daw yung kanilang mga compensation, mga babayan. Dapat parang lalabas to tawag dito, daily no? Or weekly or quincenas yung kanilang sahod. Pero malamang daily, no? Kasi syempre kung absent ka isang araw, magkano daily mo pumapatak? 'Di ba? Only the following will be considered as valid reasons for absence. Illness certified by a licensed physician, no? Illness, sakit. Official representation duties authorized by the leadership of the chamber. Official travel mission as authorized by the speaker. Approved leave of absence. Kailangan humingi sila ng permit mula sa speaker, mga babayan. No, bago sila makapag-travel abroad, no, yung mga leave of absence, dapat dadaan lahat sa Speaker of the House. No, kailangan may permit. No? Parang ano yan? Kailangan mong mag-file ng mga babayan, leave form, Parang ganun nga, no, papatak to. No, yung parang ordinaryo kayong mamamayan. Dapat nga naman hindi kayo special kasi congressman naman kayo eh. Diba dapat nga kayo yung ganun eh. Kasi alam ko sa ibang bansa ganyang ginagawa, no? Pag absent ka, bawas din sahod mo. Marcos said he thought of the bills as the no work, no pay as a standard applied to general labor. Oh, diba? Should also be enforced for elected officials, especially lawmakers, who still receive their salaries and benefits even though they do not attend to their day-to-day work. Sinasabi natin eh. Do, mas matindi pa to sa boss ng mga kumpanya. O, sa mga manager. Diba? Yung mga manager, mga ganyan, presidente, yung mga presidente ng kumpanya, nakikita natin, pumapasok. Araw-araw, nasa kumpanya, kahit walang ginagawa yung iba. Diba? Sana ganun din. Diba? Laki-laki ng sahod, tapos di pa kayo papasok. Diba? Alam nyo, simple lang isasagot dito eh. May ginagawa kami sa distrito namin. Oh. When asked if he filed the bill to address Senator Ronald De La Rosa's absence from his Senate work, Marcos said the measure is not targeting anyone in particular, which is true. No? In general kasi to, mga babayan. Diba? I'm not singling anyone out. I think this is just the right step forward for the legislature as an institution. It's no secret that there have been cases of absenteeism and people not showing up to committee hearings or joining debates on the floor. Sabi. And you know, generally, the more people debate on legislation, the better quality legislation is produced. So really, we're just trying to make sure that the best laws are passed for the Filipino people. Sabi nga ni Tito Soto. Soto said he is also wondering how De La Rosa was able to sign the report submitted by the minority bloc regarding the hearings conducted by the Blue Ribbon Panel in relation to the flood control scandal. Diba? Kasi naano nga siya sa Oplan Tukhang, mga babae. Natatakot siya doon sa sa warrant of arrest niya. Sabi nga po dito ni Marcos. Marcos' proposal has already garnered support in the House. Several members of the Young Guns, the youth movement created during the 19th Congress, believe that HB number 7432 will initiate a long overdue reform that would promote accountability and restore public trust in lawmakers. Naniniwala daw sila dito sa ginawa na to, no, na batas ni Congressman Marcos. This bill simply ensures that public money is spent only when public work is done. This is an institutional reform, not a partisan measure. Clear rules that apply to everyone, protect both the institution and its member. Daming nagsuporta. Lanao del Sur, Zia Alonto Adyong also said that the proposal places lawmakers under the same standards observed by ordinary Filipino workers. Meanwhile, Deputy Speaker J. Konggun said the bill strengthens discipline within Congress without limiting legitimate legislative work. If this principle applies to workers nationwide, it should apply even more to those crafting the laws, Adyong said. Public service begins with showing up and doing the work. No, this is not about punishment. It's about professional discipline in lawmaking, mga babayan. So talagang sinuportahan po, no, ng Kongreso ito pong House Bill netong si Congressman Sandro Marcos, mga babayan, no, kasi nga naman laging ang daming absent. Kung hindi pa nagpasa ng no work no pay bill, hindi pa magsisipasok. Ha? Papasok sa Kongreso kung kailan walang hearing, isang araw lang, tapos absent na naman. Hindi mo na naman matagpuan sa House of Representatives. So tama lang na maging pantay-pantay tayo, no? Yung trabaho ninyo, yung sahod ninyo, ganun din kagaya na sa ordinaryong mamamayan, 'di ba? Anong masasabi niyo diyan, no? I-comment sa ibaba ang mga opinion at atin yung pag-usapan, right? So, yan muli. Maraming salamat sa lahat ng mga patuloy na nakasuporta dito sa ating channel. Kita-kits po tayo sa ating next video. Ito muli ang inyong Kuya Mobs, it's Mobs TV. Peace. I'm out.